So if you see him, code 6 on a BFMV suspect, Pasadena and 38. He's on the right. He just backed up. He walked up and he backed up. Ready? I'm on.
Yeah, I'm on too.
Right there on the right. Right there on the right.
You see him?
That's the truck. Yeah, that's the truck he said the suspect was in.
Trying to pursue a BFMV suspect. We're heading northbound Midland, approaching Avenue 41. Let me get back in there, supervisor.
Line 37 is in pursuit of a BFMV suspect currently approaching Avenue 41. I'm picking up back up for you.
1137. I'm now northbound Figueroa, approaching Avenue 43.
37, I'm northbound Figueroa, approaching Avenue 43.
1137. It's going to be a black pickup truck, California license. Possible one occupant only.
No Hispanic, white hoodie.
1137. The suspect is going to be a male Hispanic wearing a white hoodie.
Keep an eye on the direction of travel.
The vehicle is a black pickup truck, Carolina State.
1137. We're now on Avenue 45, approaching Canyon Crest Street.
Avenue 45, approaching Canyon. Canyon 1. Suspect of those BFMV suspect.
Requesting to destroy units. Right, good?
Good, right? Alright. 37, we're now heading westbound from Avenue 45 on Frontenac Avenue.
37 westbound Avenue 45 on Frontenac Avenue.
Good. 1137.
Oh, he hit that
We are
car.
at the dead end
Yo,
on
did it.
Frontenac Avenue. We're down the hill.
From 837 is at a dead end on Frontenac, suspect TC.
We're gonna work kind of behind them. Here!
There's
And then you have this detail.
if there's an opening. So if you move that, let's see if I can. Hey, stand by.
No, we did open that.
You guys did?
Yes.
How,
There's a lock on the outside.
hey, there's like about a 3-foot drop down though. So,
Let me see. Hey, get covered.
Get covered.
Platz! Everybody! Platz! Everybody! Platz! Here! Platz! Platz! Here, come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, boy.
Hold on. You got him?
Yeah. Hey,
All right, listen up. You're gonna slowly crawl to the sound of my voice. Do you understand?
Yes.
Slowly crawl towards my voice.
Hold on. Don't leave me. I leave you.
Keep crawling towards me. Crawl towards me now. Crawl towards me or we're gonna send him again.
Hey Mikey, I found a way where we could see him clearly from here. Hey, rest team. Hey! Hey! Let's go! Hey, come out! I'm gonna send the dog again if you don't come out. Crawl out right now. Let's go! I see him. Yeah, we got him. Okay, there's a lot bigger hole if he continues through the dirt, and I got two officers over there.
Put your hands up.
But either way, it doesn't matter.
Put both your hands right here on this ledge. Put both your hands on this ledge.
Right to the bottom right here, dude.
Right here, go. Put your hands right here on this ledge.
You guys gonna keep my eyes on it, bro. There you go,
Look at me. I've been doing this job for a long time. I'm telling you right now, you're gonna get locked up. Crawl out right here, put your handcuffs, and I'll be in there. Get your
Hey, where'd the dog bite you?